All right, today's task is we've counted 37 screens, and Mamma Mia, they are dirty. So we're going to clean all of those screens, and we are going to run around and find where they all belong. We're going to wash and clean those screens, and they're going into all of these windows. They're going into all of these windows. And we have some ripped doors. We have some ripped doors. Wake up, wake up. That's going to look odd if I do that one and not that one, but okay. And there is a combination, multitude of all kinds of different screens going on here. There's some storm windows. There's some screens that are installed already. I got to inspect those and make sure that they're not ripped. That's good. There's some high windows. We'll just do those from the inside. Reach out and stick those in because the ladder only reaches so far. And I don't do stuff that's really high on ladders anyways. We just do low, simple stuff. Everything else with window screens goes from the window screens. You can do 100% from the inside. It's just faster with the ladder.
You want it back of the truck or side of the truck?
Right there. There's some low, weird little basement screens. All right, let's get this going.